Okay, so what are you doing today, you guys?
We had the great idea of going canoeing in, was it December 5th?
December 5th, London, Ontario, Canada.
This is classified as extreme canoeing today. Water level, I'd say 10 or so feet above normal.
Because of all the rain?
Just clipping along.
I wonder what do you think, how fast the water's going right now?
10 miles an hour.
10?
20.
10, 20?
I don't know.
10.
So what's the temperature outside today?
I think it's around 0.
So about
actually kind of
plus
snowing
32,
right
33 Fahrenheit
You know.
for all the non-Celsius people.
Definitely wouldn't want to fall in the water today.
Well, you got your jackets on.
Yeah. Safety first, kids.
Are you going to take Toby or leave him at home?
We'll leave them at home.
Could you have
Okay.
insurance? Life insurance? We don't need any. There you go, suited up.
Okay, so
Back. You want back? Yeah. Done.
all right, let's do her, guys.
Alrighty.
You figure about an hour to get down to the farm?
Hopefully an hour.
We're going to time you.
So, let's get close and then we're going to ease our way.
What do you think of this, Brian?
Oh, pretty
Are they crazy or what?
Yeah,
Totally.
I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't bring your fishing tackle? Why not? We'll time you guys.
Well, it was nice knowing you.
Just look for the orange.
See you in the spring.
Okay, good luck, guys. At least it's not windy down in the river valley here.
Wow, this is beautiful. I feel like I'm in a race.
I think somebody's been through there already.
You got to push her out there. Looks like other people have canoed from there when it's better weather.
Yeah.
Okay,
There you go. This could be awesome.
have fun, guys. Did you take any Rockstar drinks with you?
Yeah. Like to thank Rockstar. And the extra energy. Like to thank God.
All right, guys, well, be safe.
Oh, they're going sideways.
Look how fast they're going.
You think they're going to get scared?
Oh, I don't know. All right, well, there they go. We'll go to the farm and wait there for them, and I'll film it from there. So this is where they took off from, River Valley Golf and Country Club. From the river. They have tube slides here in the wintertime. And of course, you can see the river, it is pretty swollen. Okay, we dropped them off about 45 minutes ago, and I can see them just coming around the corner up there. There they are. So, I'm going to head down now on the golf cart. Okay, I see them again there. And there they are. I don't know if this is focusing because it's so cold. Okay, here comes our extreme canoeists in here. I hope they're going to be able to get in. Hurry, guys. Hurry, hurry, hurry. There they are. Wow.
Wow.
What a trip, eh? And you know it's dark in about 5 minutes, or at least the sun sets in about 5 minutes. But look how fast the water's flowing here. So, tell me about it. What happened there? How'd it go?
We started out, you know, pretty quick, and then it slowed down for a bit.
Uh-huh.
And then we cut some rapids around the one corner. And we got going probably, I'd say over 25 clicks.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, interesting. Fun.
Yeah.
The rapids are probably like this big.
Yeah.
So you were shooting the rapids, you guys.
Oh yeah, we were right in it.
Wow.
Yeah, that was
Neat.
good. They're pretty much the same speed as what you see.
Is these ones right over here?
Yeah.
And it was like snowing the whole time.
Was it? Yeah, we got some snail.
It really raining till like the bridge.
We got some ice, snow, or pellets here as well.
Yeah.
So
we made it back in one piece.
You did.
Out, so
good,
Like
guys.
Rockstar
just
and
pounded that. Oh.
Okay, now we got to get this canoe up to the house again, I guess. Eh?
Yeah.
So you guys cold or are you pretty warm?
No, warm.
Nice and toasty?
Yeah, honestly, perfect day for it. Other than a little bit of rain and snow.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's get this canoe up.
Yeah. Let's do this.
Put it on top?
Flip her upside down maybe, or maybe you can't. I don't know. Whatever works.
I'll hold it.
I don't know if we can get this thing up the hill. All right.
Want me to hold on to the canoe?
We got Rob driving here. Mark and Rob are both holding on the canoe. It's just a bumpy one.
Okay, I don't know if we can get up
Look at the
hill.
river.
We're going to give her a try.
Hold on.
Okay.
Just right, stock.
Oh, yeah, we had to leave
We had
the
to drop.
canoe behind.
Had to drop the canoe, and now these guys are pushing the golf cart up. Look at all the mud streaks from the golf cart.
I thought this would just be the perfect day for this.
Yeah. You know, I feel good. I feel right.
We gotta get her up a little bit here.